Hi, and welcome back to Room for Improvement. It's been a while since we did a Cooking with Jonah episode. So today we are making his favorite afternoon snack.
Sweet popcorn!
Sweet popcorn. Okay, for the first thing, all you do is make popcorn according to the bag. And it's a couple tablespoons of oil to about a quarter cup to a third of a cup of popcorn kernels. When we're making sweet popcorn, we always like to use coconut oil. We also don't measure very well in this house.
Yeah.
There you go. Bump it in. Good job.
I'll put this in.
And then add your desired amount of popcorn and just cook it the way the bag says. Once your popcorn is popped and done, just go ahead and set it to the side. We'll come back to it in a few minutes. For the next part, you'll need a smaller saucepan, and then you'll take a quarter cup or a half a stick of butter. Go ahead and put it in, bud.
Take the wrapper off?
Yes, take the paper off. Then you will put a half a cup of sugar on medium heat. And then you'll just dump however much cinnamon you want. My kids love cinnamon, so we kind of put a lot. Okay, stir it. Jonah always loves helping in the kitchen, right, bud? And you're just gonna stir this consistently until all three melt together.
It's kind of melting.
It's kind of melting. I'm just trying to, there's some made in there. Okay, and when it's all melted, it will be nice and caramely gooey like it you see here. Okay, and once your sauce is all melted, you will bring back your popcorn and very carefully, I'll do this part, stir it in. Just do a little at a time or it clumps up.
Yeah. I think all this popcorn won't fit. And then there's your popcorn. And then it's all made.
It is all made. Try it. Is it good?
Thanks for watching this afternoon video.
And make sure you hit that subscribe button because we will be having a very special family guest on our next video. Thanks for watching.